In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in WordPress, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. This is a simple and effective way to give your website a fresh look, and whether you're a beginner or you've been using WordPress for a while, you'll find these steps really easy to follow. So let's get started and dive right into it. First, what you want to do is open WordPress. You'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the main control hub for your WordPress website, where you can manage all of your site's settings and appearances. If you're not familiar with your dashboard, you can easily find it by adding wp admin after your site's URL. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen with several different options. Next, we're going to navigate over to the Appearance section in that menu. So go ahead and click on Appearance. This is where you can make aesthetic changes to your site, such as modifying themes and altering the layout. Once you're there, look for an option labeled Customize, which is usually toward the top of this section. Selecting this will open the WordPress Customizer, where you can make changes and see them update in real time. Now, in the Customizer menu, pay attention to the different choices you have. What you're looking for here is an option either called Colors or Background. Sometimes, depending on the theme you're using, this might be named slightly differently, but essentially you're looking for anything that allows you to change background elements. Once you've found it, you're ready to pick a new background color. You'll see a color picker tool that you can use to choose the shade you want. This tool usually comes with a rainbow palette or a series of sliders that allow you to select just the right tone for your site. Play around with the colors a bit until you find something that matches your vision for the website. Keep in mind that colors evoke emotions, so choose something that aligns with the mood or tone you want your site visitors to feel. Finally, once you're happy with your choice, you'll want to save these changes. Look for the Publish button, which is often located at the top of the Customizer panel. Click it, and your new background color will be applied to your website immediately. It's as simple as that, and there you have it, a new background color for your WordPress website in just a few easy clicks. Changing the background color can really refresh your site's look, and it's one of the simplest customizations you can make. Make sure to explore other customized options in WordPress to get the most out of your site's appearance. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.